You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe by hitting the subscription button if you are new on my channel for updates of my videos. So this series is about what to break your fast with, and here we are talking of anything from a 24-hour fast, which is like 1 meal a day, to 36 hours, 48 hours, 72-hour fast. So these are the category we are talking about. So what should you break your fast with them? What the body has lost during those fasting periods are minerals and nutrients. So you want to replace the minerals by introducing electrolytes. Sea salt, is wonderful. So we can replace that with sea salt. And for the nutrients that the body has lost, virtually protein, carbohydrate, and even fats. Although the body is never in short supply of fats, the fatty acid fatty cells and abundant supply. So this you want to gradually start by your sea salt, to replace the minerals. And for the nutrients, you don't want to start by introducing carbs, which will just spike your insulin. Although you've been fasting, so there's a way that you can take carbs, oriented food, bread, pasta, and it will just spike the insulin, and so that you don't lose the benefit of those fasting. Don't forget that during the periods of fasting, your insulin, has gone down. You have become, if you have been insulin resistant before, the fasting period must have restored you to become insulin sensitive. So you don't want to disrupt, you don't want to damage other. So we want to start by introducing lean protein, to after our replacing the electrolyte. So like bone broth is good. Then our eggs is also very good. So this is going to work the muscles to further sustain the muscle, even though you have even experienced certain degree of weight loss. So but you don't want to lose your muscle. So that is what the protein is going to do. And gradually you now introduce your carb also, for energy, to also further so that it will be stored in the right place, and the right place in the muscles. And when the body now needs it, the stored carbs in the form of glycogen will now be converted back to glucose for the body to use. Also your fats, olive oil that is unsaturated, you also need to replace that. So you want to replace your minerals, and you want to replace your nutrients, so that the body is not nutritionally deficient. There's a way you fast and then you break your fast with only carbohydrates, and that is not it's not good for the body. The body fasting is not to starve the body. Don't let us forget that our intermittent fasting is not to starve the body, but to starve especially the infested and cancerous cell, and to make the healthy cells further healthy, to strengthen the healthy cells, to make the healthy cell to be resistant. So fasting is not to starve our body. We'll be starving our body if we only break our fast with carbohydrates. We'll spike the insulin level, and the food we break with is devoid of protein and healthy fats. So breaking, we should start with having got the minerals from electrolytes, back into the system. We should start our major meal with protein. Then gradually we introduce the carb along with the healthy fats, for a good welfare and body system. So thank you. Please, we can ask questions, and let's leave comments, and let us also share. Let us hit the subscription button, so that we'll also be abreast of my subsequent video. So thank you for following me on this edition. So please let us hit the subscription button. Thanks.